LINDY's USB Type-C to HDMI converter allows you to connect an HDMI-compatible monitor to a computer with a Type-C USB port. Plug-and-play installation does not require any drivers, so the hub can be effortlessly installed with no external power needed. The converter supports both 4K and ultra-high def resolution so that content is rendered with excellent clarity, accuracy, and high dynamic range. The converter delivers improved contrast, brightness, and a wider color gamut for lifelike color reproduction. Also available is the USB Type-C HDMI converter with power delivery, as well as the Ethernet converter with power delivery. The USB power delivery of up to 60 watts provides power to notebooks or ultrabooks via their USB Type-C ports, while simultaneously receiving video. Simply connect the compatible USB power supply to the HDMI converter.